Hello, I'm Jason, the useless cook, and today I'm going to tell you about Vegemite and Marmite. First up, though, is Vegemite. Now, of course, this stuff ain't found in America very easy, so I had to buy it on Amazon, which, well, hey. Now, it came out for about $6 a jar when I bought it, but it could be more by now or less, who knows. It always, plus, prices always fluctuate. Actually, see here, I got it opened, giving it a sniff test. It has a strong, beefy aroma to it. Kinda salty. You see inside it, I'm gonna give it a little taste test. Just by itself. You can tell it's very salty. Very salty. And it does have some beef flavor to it. Not a lot. But it has a real strong umami flavor. So, it's very interesting. Just here, it's dark colored, it's thick and pasty, it sticks to everything. Open lid. Now I'm gonna make the sandwich. According to the internet, they want the butter side toast. I'm doing butter doing both sides with butter. Now I only said to do one side of the bread with the Vegemite, so that's what I'm doing. Cut it in half in corners, and there you go. Got yourself a Vegemite sandwich. Now I'll tell you what I think about it at the end of the video. Now here's Marmite. It's the same kind of thing, but it's a bit different, which is surprising. It's a smaller bottle. You don't get as much for the price. So it's kind of expensive, especially on Amazon, for what you get. But I don't expect to use it for a whole lot anyway. See, it's a bit darker, or looks darker maybe because of the jar. But that's a shinier texture to it and not as matte as the Vegemite was. And it's a bit more loose, not as sticky. And it has a lighter salt flavor to it, not much. There's not much salt to it though, and it's still an umami flavor. Not a lot of beef, it's very interesting too. I don't know, it's hard to explain. There I am making the sandwich. Just put a little bit on, this time I put on a little bit on both sides, just to spread it out a bit more. I'm putting very little. Sandwich, cut it in half. That's a Marmite sandwich. Now, what I think about them is kind of weird. I don't know if I'm liking it or hate it. And I'm gonna let my friend Sanguine tell you about it.
Of all the things that I've ever eaten, and I've eaten a good share of different types of food, different cuisines, there is only one single thing that I've eaten, and I still to this day do not know if it was something that I loved or something that I hated. And that was at a chip shop in England. I had fried spam. The first bite I had, it tasted amazing, and I thought it was fantastic. The second bite that I had, it was one of the most revolting things that I've ever consumed. And the damnable thing about it was every single bite, it vacillated between those two, never landing in the middle, and always equally distributed between the two. So I don't know if I like it or not to this day.
I have the same opinion as he does his spam of Vegemite and Marmite. I can't tell you if I like it or hate it. I do recommend, if you can find it at a decent price, to try it. And I am going to look for recipes to do some more things with it. Because I did hear this thing called tiger bread that I am going to try. Now I do hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you enjoy the food. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.